Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My apologies for the absence here on the channel. I've gotten extremely busy over the last little bit, and also, just to be perfectly honest with you, my little studio that I've got set up here kind of got out of control on me. I was bringing in my purchases of my die cast and setting them in the floor in the Walmart bags or Target or Dollar Store, wherever I got them from, and things kind of quickly got out of hand. I kind of got discouraged with it, and a big thank you to my wife that came in and helped me kind of get things a little bit more organized and straightened up. We stacked some stuff up. Here's some of my haulers, mostly trucks, square bodies. There's some cubes. Got some stuff here. All those are about 5 or 6 deep in each one of those compartments. Got a few over here. Got a few model car kits that we're going to build at some time. Got more stuff here. And I recently purchased a 3D printer. I just printed today. This thing took 7 hours and 50 minutes. It's an A10 Warthog. So we're going to cut that loose and assemble it at some point. But anyways, my apologies for the absence here on the channel. So what we're going to do here with this one, we're going to do this 33 Ford Lowboy. We're going to do a wheel swap on it. I really don't like that number on the side of it, or the Ford on the hood right there. So I guess what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to try to remove all of that except for this black stripe. So I'm going to try to leave this black right here. And I really like to keep that, but we're going to remove it. We're going to try to remove all this and save the black and do a wheel swap. I'll probably speed the video up. I'm not going to go through the process. You guys know how to do it. If you don't, there's some more videos in my library that shows you how to remove this with a dry erase marker. I've also got videos on doing wheel swaps, so you guys can find that. But anyways, 1933 Ford Lowboy, here we go. Alright, one more quick thing before we get started. I'm not going to try to save the packaging to put it back together, because I'm going to set this one in with the rest of my loose ones, so I'm not really worried about the card. Oh shit. Okay, everybody, I hit it with some acetone with the cotton swab, and it looked like it was going through the paint. So I stopped, went back in with the Expo marker, and I can't tell if it's going through the paint right there, but I'm going to take this thing down to the sink. I'm going to scrub it with a brush and try to get this marker out of the body lines, the door jambs right here. And we'll see what we can come up with. I wanted to take that forward off of there. I think we'll leave it because it's getting in there pretty close to what I want to leave. So we'll just leave that. But I am going to take it downstairs and wash it with some Dawn dish soap, warm water, and try to get this out of the body line, see what we come up with. Okay, everybody. Sometimes when you're doing this, things don't work out the way that you anticipate it. I don't know if I can get it to focus right here, but you can still kind of see the 16 on there, and also I had a little bit of paint rubbed through. You can still kind of see it on that door as well. I don't like that, so we're going to go a completely different route. I'm going to drop this in some citrus paint stripper. And then I'm thinking I'm going to paint this thing this bronze color, this rattle can. Or we may go with this black. Don't know yet. We'll see once we get there, but things is taking a change. I could weather this. That blue would make a nice base layer for some weathering. However, I think I'm just going to strip it down and paint it. So here we go. And I'm not going to go over the process of stripping it down and paint. It's just drop it down in some citrus stripper, let it set for a little bit, clean it up, prime it, and spray it. Okay, this is my citrus stripper that I had in a jar. I put a rubber glove over top of it to keep it from drying out. The low boy is in there covered, and we'll let it sit for a little bit. Come back and clean it up. We'll go over it with some primer and hit it with some paint.